Since we posted a video about a roof renewal on our website, we've received lots of questions on how to replace an old roofing with ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ asphalt shingles. We've chosen the most interesting ones and decided to shoot some more videos to share our knowledge and experience with you. Here is our next story.
Hello, Nikolai. Hello. Hi, Igor. Hello. Our company is making a video series about renewal of old roofs. Your case seemed very interesting for us. Nikolai, please tell us why you decided to replace your roof made of corrugated asbestos cement sheets. Well, the reason is that we face the same problem every year. When we come to our house to spend spring and summer here, we look at the ceiling and see that it's wet and leaking. We've been thinking about it for a while and finally decided to replace our roof. Nikolai, what kind of roofing materials did you consider? We considered many different kinds of roof coating. I asked my son for advice and he recommended ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ laminated shingles. He said it's the best choice of affordable, safe and high quality roof covering.
Any roofing material is to be not only beautiful and durable, but also safe for people to use and live with. ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ roofing shingles do not contain any poisonous or potentially harmful substances.
How will my roofing be replaced with roofing shingles? The first thing we're going to do is to disassemble the old roofing and inspect the rafter system. Since the roof has been leaking, some wooden elements might have been damaged. If required, we will replace or upgrade the rafter system and then install the new roofing material, ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ asphalt shingles to be exact. How long will it take? It will take us from 3 to 5 days, depending on how difficult our task turns out to be. Happy to hear.
Our experts have already prepared all the necessary tools and materials. Now we are ready to start.
The roof renewal process can be divided into several stages. First of all, we examined the existing rafter system. If it was suitable and didn't require any modifications, we would just cover it with an OSB decking for further asphalt shingles installation. In our case, we found out that the spacing between neighbouring rafters was too large, so we'll have to enforce the whole rafter system. The next stage involves the disassembly of the old asbestos cement sheets. We started from one slope to proceed with the other. The idea is that we can quickly cover the roof if it rains. We're going to reinforce the rafter system to mount buttons and an OSB solid sheathing.
ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ offers a ready-to-use solution for your mansard that combines the right materials and their proper arrangement. You can find it on our website. The rafter system reinforcement did not take long. We just added a few rafter spars and installed new battens. Then we went on with OSB board installation. They make a perfect base for roofing shingles. The recommended minimum gap between boards for possible expansion is 3 mm. Like all wood products, OSB will expand or shrink slightly with changes in moisture and temperature.
The final stage is to install ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ roofing shingles with all the required accessories.
ТЕХНОНИКОЛЬ Corporation builds quality control in every process at its production sites. Our experts thoroughly test raw materials and do sampling inspection, constantly improving in-process control techniques to offer roofing solutions of superior quality. This approach allows us to back our products with a manufacturer's warranty. For the country collection, selected for this project, the warranty is 35 years. So, the sheathing is ready. We install metal flashings at the eaves edge, cover the roof deck with underlayment membranes, and then place flashings along the rake edge. We apply mastic at the edges and then start asphalt shingle installation. To apply roofing shingles, you need a roofing knife and a hammer. But to make the process easier and almost 3 times quicker, we use a pneumatic nail gun. Laminated shingles are much easier to install compared with single-layer ones. The reason is that you don't have to remove any tape prior to installation. To protect the edges of the roof from rainwater, we cut a shingle as shown and apply mastic in a layer 10 centimeters wide. If a roof slope is less than 45 degrees, fix every shingle with 5 nails. If it is greater than 45 degrees, then you'll need 8 nails per shingle.
Dear friends, exactly 5 days have passed and our roof is ready. Nikolai, please take a look at what's been done. I like it a lot. I'm really happy to have a roof like this. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's do some math. If you use metal shingles with polyester coating produced by some reputable company, 1 meter of roofing, expressed in terms of its price per each year of its warranty period, will cost you about 800 rubles per year, while multi-layer asphalt shingles like ours will cost about 60 rubles per year. This is one of the reasons why Nikolai chose TECHNONIKOLЬ roofing shingles.
The new roof is absolutely eco-friendly and safe, and we have all the necessary certificates to prove it. The manufacturer's warranty for the country collection is 35 years, and its service life is over 50 years.
We are sure that a few generations of Nikolai's family will not have to think about re-roofing. See you soon!